Welcome to PRISM Insights. I'm the digital avatar of Dr. Jeff Bullock. Today, we'll explore new tech developments and leadership, covering wearable gadgets from UCLA, TransUnion's AI, ethical AI chatbots, and Jensen Huang's leadership at NVIDIA. Let's get started. Speaking without vocal cords thanks to a new AI-assisted wearable device. UCLA made a device that helps people who can't talk use their neck movements to speak through AI. This big step forward helps people with speaking difficulties communicate easily. A team of UCLA engineers has invented a soft, thin, stretchy device measuring just over 1 square inch that can be attached to the skin outside the throat to help people with dysfunctional vocal cords regain their voice function. Their advance is detailed this week in the journal Nature Communications. UCLA's wearable tech isn't just a new gadget. It's a window into future possibilities where technology directly improves people's lives. For entrepreneurs, this is an opportunity to think about how their products or services can address real needs. Imagine creating apps that make daily communication easier for everyone, or developing platforms that turn silent gestures into powerful messages. This technology is a prompt for innovative minds to explore practical solutions that bridge gaps in accessibility and inclusivity, challenging us to apply AI in ways that genuinely matter. TransUnion's new AI, making business smarter. TransUnion's latest AI tool changes how companies understand big data, giving clear insights to help make smart decisions in finance, healthcare, and stores. TransUnion, one of 3 major credit bureaus in the U.S., is launching a new cloud-based platform to create a unified portal for its suite of data analytics, credit risk, and fraud detection offerings assisted by artificial intelligence. TransUnion's AI platform is a game changer, especially for entrepreneurs. It transforms complex data into clear insights, enabling faster, informed decisions in key areas like finance and retail. This tool empowers business leaders to navigate risks and seize opportunities efficiently, ensuring they're always a step ahead in their markets. For those aiming high, it's not just about data, it's about turning insights into action and driving real business growth. AI chatbots use racist stereotypes even after anti-racism training. Research shows AI chatbots can still be biased even with training to prevent it. This problem shows we need better ways to make AI fair and unbiased. We discover a form of covert racism in large language models that is triggered by dialect features alone, with massive harms for affected groups, said Valentin Hoffman at the Allen Institute for AI, a nonprofit research organization in Washington state, in a social media post. For example, GPT-4 is more likely to suggest that defendants be sentenced to death when they speak African American English. Discovering biases in AI chatbots highlights a crucial task for entrepreneurs: to innovate for fairness. This issue is more than a tech challenge. It's a chance to shape a future where technology respects and understands everyone equally. For those aiming to make a mark, creating unbiased AI isn't just good ethics, it's smart business. It's about building trust and opening doors to untapped potential by ensuring your technology works fairly for all. Jensen Huang's vision for NVIDIA. Jensen Huang at NVIDIA is leading the charge into AI and deep learning, affecting lots of industries. His forward thinking shows the impact one leader can have. Huang's 2-hour keynote speech not only disproved Moore's law, but also showcased the various domains NVIDIA is impacting, including healthcare and humanoid robotics. The underlying theme of all these announcements was that every tech company needs NVIDIA. Jensen Huang's leadership at NVIDIA underscores a key lesson for entrepreneurs: the power of visionary thinking and technology. His approach, pushing the boundaries of AI and deep learning, demonstrates how bold ideas can transform industries. For high achievers, Huang's journey is a reminder that to lead and innovate, one must be willing to embrace change and challenge the status quo. It's about leveraging cutting-edge technology to solve complex problems and create new possibilities. This mindset isn't just inspiring, it's a blueprint for anyone looking to make a significant impact in their field. Let's take all we've learned and be the change makers, steering tech with ethics and vision. Together, we're crafting a brighter, inclusive future. Thanks for diving deep into tech's forefront with us. Stay tuned by subscribing and following for fresh takes. And hey, join us over at school.com to stay connected.